Prabhu Spinning Limited, Private Spinning Mills Private Limited. Section 4, charge of income tax, capital or revenue, sale of certified emission reduction credit, not assessable as a business income. So, dismissing the appeal of the revenue, the court held that the proceed realized by the assessee engaged in wind power project on a sale of certified emission reduction credit, which assessee had earned on the clean development mechanism in the wind energy operation, was not an offshoot of a business, but an offshoot of environmental concerns. Hence, being a capital receipt would not be taxable under revenue receipt. Credit emission reduction credit which they even sell, it's not an capital receipt. Hence, it's not even taxable as per the assessment year 2019. Very good. So, non-taxable income. Good.